Can a single structure change the fate of an entire region? The Hoover Dam did exactly that. Built during the Great Depression, it tamed the Colorado River, providing power and water to millions across the American Southwest. Standing over 220 meters tall and made from 3.25 million cubic yards of concrete, it remains one of the greatest engineering feats of all time. The Hoover Dam turned desert into opportunity and showed how human determination could reshape nature itself. For more legendary projects that built our world, subscribe, like, and comment.